Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best dehumidifiers under $100 in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying dehumidifiers under $100. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. ProBreeze Electric Mini Dehumidifier. Features a sizable 1.5-litre water tank and removes up to 18 ounces of water per day. Collection tank is easy to empty. The ultra-quiet operation means it won't disturb you as it works. A compact and effective mini humidifier that's suitable for spaces of up to 220 square feet. Doesn't work at temperatures below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. At number 2. Eva-Dry Electric Petite Dehumidifier. Compact model that does a good job in limited spaces such as guest bathrooms, RVs, and small bedrooms. Isn't noisy when running. Has a small footprint. Inexpensive price and energy efficient to operate. Consider this compact, low-priced model for very small areas and low to moderate humidity, otherwise it may not meet your dehumidifying needs. High humidity will challenge it. Doesn't work well in spacious areas. Some reports of units that turned out to be lemons. At number 1. Pure Enrichment Premium Dehumidifier. Efficient and very easy to operate. Doesn't take up much space, yet does a good job removing moisture from most small rooms. Also generates enthusiasm for use in closets and RVs. An affordable, efficient model that works well in most moisture-prone environments that call for a small dehumidifier. Power cable is in a somewhat awkward position. Not quite as quiet as some competitors. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.